In this video, we're going to talk about an amazing AI tool that can help you create professional advertisements for any product in just a few minutes. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store on your device and search for Sora AI. Once you find the app, install it and open it. Next, sign up using your Gmail account. Don't worry, the process is very quick and simple. After logging in, look for the image option at the bottom and click on it. Then upload a picture of your product. Next, paste the script that I've provided. And that's it. Within just 2 minutes, the AI will automatically generate a complete advertisement video for your product. Honestly, it's amazing how fast and powerful this tool is. Now let me show you the final result of the video so you can see how professional it is.
क्या आप तैयार हैं अपने हुस्न की नई तारीफ लिखने के लिए? पेश है बेस्ट लुक ब्यूटी क्रीम, जिसमें है कुदरत और साइंस का अनोखा संगम।